Numberblocks. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Numberblocks. 1 and another one is 2 and another one is me. That's 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time for some number fun. You can count on us with the Numberblocks.
Hello, I'm the 9 times table. Wait, where's 9? 9? Coming! Hello, who are you? Hello, 9. I am the 9 times table, and I let's play games. Hooray! False alarm. Okay, 9, hop on me and we'll have some fun. 1, 9 is 9. He is a square. He's made of groups of 3. 2 9s are 18. He's a super speedy rectangle. He loves to go fast, so fast. 3 9s are 27. He is a super cube. 4 9s are 36. He is a square and a step squad. He also likes the puzzle square. It's the puzzle square. 5 9s are 45. She is a step squad who is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. 6 9s are 54. She is a super speedy rectangle. 7 9s are 63. She is a super speedy roller skater. 8 9s are 72. She is a super rectangle. She can switch all day and all night. 9 9s are 81. He has a super sneeze. Achoo! 10 9s are 90. 90 is a pattern magician. Abracadabra! 90. 9 18 27 36 45 54 63 72 81 90. Sideways. 1 9 is 9. 2 9s are 18. 3 9s are 27. 4 9s are 36. 5 9s are 45. 6 9s are 54. 7 9s are 63. 8 9s are 72. 9 9s are 81 when all the 9s are in the mix. 10 9s are 90.